Are you okay with me being down here, or Caitlin being down here?
Was that you?
No.
There's a rock that was behind it. Joe?
Well, hello there.
Hi.
Welcome in.
If you're in a good mood, would you light that back up for us?
Are there too many of us in here to where you're uncomfortable? Yeah.
Alright, to make it easier on us to understand, we'll take the REM pod as a yes, and we'll take that device over there on the chair as a no. Behind Haileigh, if you light up that one, if you don't.
He's already lighting that one,
Yeah,
so he understands.
Alright.
I'm gonna move this chair over.
Okay. I just wanna make sure it's not.
He's setting it up.
Yeah.
Can you set more of the lights off, Joe?
Maybe some on the other side of the REM pod, like towards the wall.
Hey Joe, I had a question. I heard from the caretaker that your nickname is Joey. Do you like that name? Because she said you don't like being called Joey.